Front entry doors. Washington, D.C. are essential for enhancing the curb appeal and security of your home. Whether you are looking for custom front doors or energy-efficient doors, our door installation services in Washington, D.C. provide a wide range of options to suit your needs. From wooden entry doors to steel front doors, we offer a variety of materials and styles to match your home's aesthetic. Door installation services in Washington, D.C. are crucial for ensuring that your entry door replacement is done correctly and efficiently. Our team specializes in residential door services and commercial entry doors, providing expert door hardware installation and security doors to keep your property safe. We also offer storm doors and patio doors to enhance the functionality and appearance of your entryways. Custom front entry doors. Washington, D.C. allow homeowners to express their unique style while improving their home's energy efficiency. Our energy-efficient doors are designed to reduce energy costs and improve comfort. Choose from fiberglass entry doors or steel front doors for durability and low maintenance. Our door design consultation services in Washington, D.C. help you select the perfect door for your home. Door replacement services in Washington, D.C. are available for those in need of door frame replacement or door painting services. Our team can handle door weatherproofing and door sealing services to protect your home from the elements. We also offer door lock installation and door maintenance to ensure your doors remain functional and secure. Residential door services in Washington, D.C. include a wide range of options for homeowners looking to upgrade their entryways. From sliding entry doors to French doors, our selection caters to various tastes and preferences. Our door customization services in Washington, D.C. allow you to personalize your doors with unique designs and finishes. Commercial entry doors in Washington, D.C. require specialized attention to meet the demands of high-traffic areas. Our door installation services cater to businesses looking for durable and secure entry solutions. We offer door hardware installation and security doors to protect your commercial property, along with door maintenance services to keep your doors in top condition. Door design consultation in Washington, D.C. is an essential service for homeowners and businesses looking to enhance their entryways. Our experts provide guidance on selecting the right doors, whether you need wooden entry doors or fiberglass entry doors. We also offer door customization services to ensure your doors reflect your personal style. Door frame replacement in Washington, D.C. is a critical service for maintaining the integrity of your entryways. Our team provides expert door replacement services, including door painting services and door weatherproofing. We also offer front entry doors, Washington, D.C. sealing services to improve energy efficiency and protect your home from drafts and moisture. Door lock installation in Washington, D.C. is vital for ensuring the security of your home or business. Our door installation services include the latest in security doors and door hardware installation to keep your property safe. We also offer door maintenance services to ensure your locks and doors function properly over time.